Troy Laser and Fab is a full-service provider of laser cutting and steel fabrication solutions that builds and maintains long-term customer relationships through innovative methods, ideas, and our detail-oriented focus. Troy Laser and Fab serves customers across a wide array of industries. We do that with a large array of equipment. We have the tools for your job. Our mission is to exceed customer expectations through high-level communication, industry-leading customer service, and constant innovation. Our competitive advantage comes from leveraging decades of experience with industry-leading equipment, technology, and talented team members to find solutions for our customers with ingenuity and care. We start by asking how we can serve our customers, and we strive to serve you better. We work on uncommon laser cut materials. Our expertise, experience, and equipment allow us to stay ahead of the competition with shortened lead times, on time, and on budget delivery. Part of our mission at Troy Laser and Fab is to work to improve the communities which we live and work. Gain the leading edge with Troy Laser and Fab.